for like okay, this should be okay. All right, so this is perfect, guys. Perfect. Background removed successfully from the application. Then this is where you export the PNG. You see, downloaded. So you can okay. This is perfect, guys. This is perfect. So this is how you create the application. Okay, so to create the background remover application using Google Gemini, first you go to Google and search for Google Gemini. Okay, or go to gemini.google.com. This is it. So once you send it to bring you here. All right, so once you're here right now, you head over to where you see tools. Then you're gonna select Canvas because it is a Canvas application you're gonna be creating. All right, so you paste this prompt right here. I'm gonna keep this prompt at this video's description so you can try by yourself. Okay, you can try yourself and you can as well edit to your taste or whatever I want to do. Okay, so this is just the prompt. Okay, build a single React file application using Tailwind CSS and Lucide-react that removes solid background from uploaded images. All right, so once you are there right now, come back to this place as seen first and select Pro. If you're not using a Pro version, you can select Thinking. This one works very well too, but this Pro is what I'm using right now because I'm on the Pro version of this Google AI Studio. Okay, so once you're there, then you send the prompt. Okay, it is generating the prompt, the code. This is React code, professionally created React code without any error, very clean code. Okay, let's wait while it builds the application by itself on the canvas. All right, perfect, guys. Perfect. Application is ready. So can't you see this is the code? This code you can copy it and as well and use it on to create a fully working React application. Right here right now, Google AI Studio Gemini has given us the leverage of hosting the application here. So preview the application, you can see it here. Now go to this place, you see share. Okay, click on share. Okay, then copy the link, open a new tab and place it. Okay, so guys, this is the application right now. This is perfect. So now to use this application, you're gonna make sure that the image, when I extract, you're gonna remove the background for an image. The image should be on a green background because this is what, on a green background, on any other background, maybe green or white or whatever color, just like here. Now you can pick the color you want to do. Okay, right now let's do that first. So okay, now I already have a picture here that is on a green background. If you don't have a picture on a green background, then go over to Gemini again and generate, go back to Gemini. All right, so you're now on Google Gemini. So here right now, I'm gonna change the background of our image that we want to remove the background to green. So on a green background, so let's upload the image right now. All right, so this is the image. So I want to change the background of the image to green before we can use that application that we just created using Google Gemini. All right, so you say replace. Okay, so let me use green. You can use any other color you want to try, but let's just use green for now. All right, so you send it. You can just use number first, whatever you want to use. Okay, so let's see. All right, so you can download the image right now. All right, download it right now. Then go back to that application we created, then upload the image right here. Okay, guys, so we have the image here. As you can see, it has already extracted the background for us, but right now you see the way it's right now. To make it to be perfectly, you see this tolerance, this is where you reduce it. Okay, reduce or you add. So once you add, it removes it completely, but let's bring it down here. Can't you see it? This tolerance, we bring it down here. Okay, let's say for like, okay, this should be okay. All right, so this is perfect, guys. Perfect. Background removed successfully from the application. Then this is where you export the PNG. You see, downloaded. So you can okay, this is perfect, guys. This is perfect. So this is how you create the application, the React application, using Gemini, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, because you're gonna see this kind of videos coming your way. So until then, guys, goodbye, see you, bye bye.